Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a solve a column internal question. Find the cube root of 12 using a Newton-Raphson method up to 4 place of decimal. So let's solve the question here. X cube is equal to 12 and f of x is equal to x cube minus 12 is equation number 1 and f dash of x is equal to 3x square is equation number 2. Now we put the x is equal to 0 in f of x. So f of x is equal to 0 cube minus 12 is equal to minus 12. Now again we put the x is equal to 1 and f of x is equal to f of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 12 is equal to minus 11, and when we put the value x is equal to 2, so here 2 cube minus 12 is equal to 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4. Now we again put the x is equal to 3 because x is equal to f of f of 1 and f of 2 value whose are negative. So again we put x is equal to 3. Now 3 cube minus 12 is equal to 27 minus 12 is equal to 15. Here we can see that f of 2 and f of 3 value positive and negative, so the root lies between the 2 and 3. Now we choose the initial guess value between the 2 and 3, so 2 plus 3 divided by 2, so x0 value here 2.5. Now we perform first iteration f of x0 and put the x0 value here, so f of 2.5 is equal to 2.5 cube minus 12. So when we solve this equation and get the value is 3.625, and f dash of x0 is equal to f dash of 2.5, and when we solve this equation, so we will get the value of f dash of x0 is 18.75. Now from the Newton-Raphson formula we put the value here f of x0 and f dash of x0, so x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. So x1 is equal to 2.5 minus we put here f of x0 value, so f of x0 value 3.625, and f dash of x value is divided by 18.75. So we can solve this equation and we will get the value of x1 is equal to 2.5 minus 0.1983, and final answer of f of x1 is 2.3067. Now we again iterate the second iteration here, 2.3067 ka whole square minus 12. So we can solve this value and find the f of x1 value here 0.2736, and now we find the value of f dash of x1 here, so f dash of 2.3067, and we will put the equation of f dash of x. So we can find the value of f dash of x1 is equal to 15.9625. Now we put the value of f of x1 and f dash of x1 in Newton-Raphson formula. x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. So here we put the value of x1 and f dash of x1. In the formula we put the value here x1 is equal to 2.3067 minus 0.2736 divided by 15.9625, and we solve this equation and get the value of x2 here. x2 is equal to 2.2896, and we check the x1 and x2 value are not same, so we again iterate x, and we perform the third iteration f of x2 is equal to f of 2.2896 is equal to 2.2896 ka whole cube minus 12. We solve the equation and find the f of x2 value here, so 0.0026, and we find the f dash of x2 value here, so f dash of x value here 2.2896, and we perform the and we put the value in f dash of x here, so 3 into 2.2896 ka whole square, and we solve this equation and you get a value of f dash of x2 here 15.7268 from, and this value we put the Newton-Raphson formula. So x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2, and we put the value here x3 is equal to 2.2896 minus 0.0026 divided by 15.7268, and we solve this equation and get the value of x3 is equal to 2.289. Now we see the x2 and x3 value are same, so we can write as the approximate root of the equation x cube minus 12 is equal to, using the Newton-Raphson method, is root of 2.289. So here the answer is completed. Thank you guys for watching my video.